Hey friends, if the start menu is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now let us understand the three solutions first before implementing them. So start menu is a function of Windows Explorer, and we can try restarting Windows Explorer or simply restarting the computer. So search for Task Manager, open Task Manager, wait for the list to load, and right click on Windows Explorer and select restart. Okay, this is one solution, and the second one is that you can obviously restart your computer. So right click on the start button, shut down and sign out, and then restart. But if this doesn't help, then the second solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Now in the elevated command prompt window, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. This is the second one, and the third one is that you can reinstall the start package using PowerShell. So copy this command line mentioned here. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator and paste this command here and hit enter. This will reinstall the start button. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.